In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule messages in Slack. To get started, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Slack, then click the official Slack website in the results. If you're prompted, sign into your workspace so you land on your Slack home screen. This simple route through Google is handy if you don't have Slack bookmarked or you're switching devices. Once you're in Slack, open the conversation where you want the message to go. This can be any channel, public or private as long as you have access, or a direct message with a colleague. Choose the destination first so your scheduled message goes exactly where you intend. Now, click into the message field and type your message. Write it exactly as you want it to send later. You can include links, mention teammates with the @ symbol, and use basic formatting to keep it clear. Take a moment to proofread and make sure the tone and details will still make sense at the future time it's delivered. Next, look to the right of the message field for the small arrow next to the Send button. Instead of pressing Enter to send now, click that arrow. This opens Slack's scheduling options. If you often press Enter out of habit, pause here. Scheduling only works when you open the menu from that arrow. You'll see suggested times like later today or tomorrow morning. These presets are quick and are based on your local time. If one of them works, select it. If you need more control, choose Custom Date and Time. This opens a picker where you can set the exact date and clock time that fits your plan. A helpful tip: consider your recipients' time zones and their working hours so your message lands when it's most useful and not disruptive. After selecting a suggested time or setting a custom one, confirm by clicking Schedule Message. Slack will confirm that your message is scheduled, and you can continue with your work. The message won't notify anyone until the exact time you chose, so it's perfect for drafting updates after hours while keeping delivery professional and considerate. That's the full process. Go to Google, open the Slack website, pick your channel or direct message, write your note, click the arrow by Send, choose a suggested time or set a custom one, and finalize by clicking Schedule Message. With this, you can plan ahead, stay organized, and communicate at the right moment without needing to be online.